Sailing the unlimited skies, the dream of becoming a palm oil drone pilot. In my subconscious, there is a vast, seductive sea of green oil palm plantation that stretches as far as the eye can see. Each palm tree becomes a silent witness to the history of my future because I'm not only witness it from below, but more than that. I become part of the sky that sweeps above it. My dream, which continues to spread its wings every time I step into the world of my imagination, is to become a palm oil drone pilot. I want to contribute myself to increase our production of palm oil by becoming a drone pilot. In this modern era, when technology is increasingly rampant and opening up new avenues for professions that were never thought of before, becoming a palm oil drone pilot is not just a wild dream. Large oil palm plantations require